Hey guys, today we have an HP Envy Pro 6455 printer, and as you can see here, we have an E0 or Error 0. Usually that refers to something wrong with the cartridges. Either the cartridge is wrong or it cannot be read, but the printer knows that the cartridge is in the printer. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open the printer, inspect our cartridge. Okay, we have both cartridges installed, and they're the correct ones. Usually what you would have is some ink in here. If you had the printer, for some reason on its side or something, that would be the reason. Either that, where these would be kind of covered with ink, or if there was tape on here, that would indicate error 0. If there was also ink in here on the contacts over here, the golden contacts, so that would also indicate that error. What I do recommend is just to clean these contact areas using either some cleaner on a paper towel, or I would just use the alcohol swabs. Make sure you unplug it first, so don't power it off, just unplug it from the wall. You can unplug from the wall like I'm doing, or you can just unplug it from the back of the printer over here. So I would just use some alcohol swabs, and mine are clean. I'm just kind of demonstrating, but it could be some residue from the protective tape that was there, so you want to make sure you clean those. And of course, if you had some ink on here, clean that area up as well and let it dry a little bit on both cartridges. So we have that. We're going to give it about a minute, or we can always dry it with some paper towels. Just make sure none of the particles of the paper towel are stuck in there to avoid getting any paper jams later. And what's very important is when you're all done with this, make sure you put these latches down and then plug the printer back in, because as soon as you turn the printer on into the wall, it'll start moving and it'll just get stuck over here, might break it or something like that. So that's very important. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in, and you can see the action of this going back and forth, and that's you'll see the reason why you do not want it to be open. These two covers right here are the latches. Okay, we're just going to go ahead and press the power button in the back. Okay, and you can see that it's moving back and forth, and you can now see why we need those latches closed. I'm just going to let the printer start up in a little bit. So those lights right here are indicating that we need to install both cartridges. I'm going to try installing the same ones in and see if it accepts it. So we're going to put the black one in first. I'm doing something wrong. There we go. And then the color. And if we still get the error, we can just take one of the cartridges out and see which one has given us the error. Okay, we still get the error 0, so I'm going to just remove one of the cartridges and see if that is fine. So if we remove just the black cartridge, it should be able to go to the single cartridge mode, and it'll show us if the problem is still there. So almost instantly that error 0 is gone. So I know there's definitely a problem with this cartridge. I would just give it another try by cleaning the the nozzle area, which is this area right here. So I'm just going to give it a quick, but it doesn't look like there's any buildup on here as far as that goes. And then I'm going to try installing it into the printer. maybe it's just empty, or if it's incompatible if it was used in a different one. So as far as this goes, we know that we can use the single ink cartridge, and if you have another black one, just go ahead and install that one. There's definitely a problem with the cartridge that you're trying to install, and your app on your phone or your computer will tell you exactly what the problem is with the cartridge. Usually that would be the case. So I put that in, and so the air 0 comes back on. Now I know for sure that this ink cartridge is not going to work for me. So I'm just going to take it out. Okay, so I have this aftermarket ink cartridge. It feels like it's empty, but we just need to make sure this printer is not accepting that cartridge at all, the one that's in there. So we're going to try to just install this one and see if the air goes away. So let's remove. We already know that the problem is with the black. So we're going to install the black cartridge here. Close it. And yeah, so that cartridge is just bad. Even if you have a new one, sometimes that may happen, but that's like very, very less likely. That could happen with an aftermarket refilled ink or something like that. So just either take it back or try to get do a return if you bought it online. So that would be the case. Okay, so this is our bad one. So I'm just going to mark it with the next that this is the bad one that's giving us error 0. I did find another HP cartridge that is not refilled or remanufactured, not aftermarket or anything like that. I'm going to try to install it in the printer. And you can see this light right here that's indicating that the cartridge is either refilled. It'll just show that the ink levels are low, and you'll see that also on your device, such as phone or your computer. So usually low ink or any remanufactured, even if it's full ink, the HP cartridges will just show that it's low on ink. So it'll just run out when it runs out, and you'll see it on the paper on the prints. So I'm going to go ahead and replace this aftermarket one with an HP used cartridge that I have. Not sure if this is going to go away right away, but let's see if it gives us the error again. So this is the bad one. This one is no good at all. This is the aftermarket, which the printer accepted. So looks like our light is not on anymore, so that's a good cartridge, and we don't have any error 0 problems here. So that's basically something that you should look into, is those contact areas. And sometimes it's just the worst that can happen is just a bad cartridge. Figure out which one it is so you don't have to spend money or throw away a cartridge that is good. Just get rid of the one that's bad. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and have yourself a wonderful day.